At Back to Normal Physical Therapy, we're committed to using the latest technology to help you heal faster and feel better. One of our advanced tools is the Class 4 Deep Tissue Laser, a non-invasive, painless, and highly effective treatment that promotes deep tissue healing. This powerful laser emits a specific, near-infrared wavelength that penetrates deep within the tissues of your body. The absorption of this light triggers a chemical reaction within your cells, stimulating energy production, signaling cellular healing, increasing blood flow and oxygen, and removing waste products. Most clients find the experience very comfortable and relaxing. The laser produces a warm, soothing sensation as it works deep within your tissues. Typically, with this high-powered laser, treatment sessions can take as little as 3 to 7 minutes. Often, patients report less pain and improved mobility after just one session. Your therapist will determine the best dosing for your condition, which may include treatments 2 to 3 times a week. Laser speeds healing quickly, reduces pain and inflammation, and enhances your overall recovery. It is effective for a wide range of conditions, including tendon and soft tissue injuries, scar tissue, arthritis, nerve pain, sports injuries, plantar fasciitis, and many more.